Stock adjustments help you keep inventory accurate when physical stock doesn't match system records. Here's how to create one in Unleashed. Start by navigating to Inventory, Transactions, and Stock Adjustments. On this screen, you can view all of your stock adjustments, filter them by status, parked, completed, deleted, or all, and refine further by reason or warehouse. To create a new adjustment, click Add Adjustment and then select the warehouse where the adjustment applies, and then choose a reason. You can manage these under Settings, System, and Adjustment Reasons. If you have an accounting integration enabled, an account field will appear. Use this to map the adjustment to an account in your accounting system, for example, a wastage account. Next, enter the product, quantity, and value you're adjusting. To remove stock, enter a negative quantity. To increase stock, enter a positive quantity. If you only need to adjust the value without changing quantity, set quantity to 0 and enter the value change. This is called a value-only stock adjustment. Please note that this does not change the per unit price. Review your adjustment carefully to confirm it's correct and understand its impact on the selected warehouse and global stock levels, and then, when ready, click Complete. Completing the adjustment updates your inventory and sends the journal entry to your accounting system if integrated. And that's it. Thanks for watching.